This is a nice Bluetooth speaker, comes in a good packing, comes with a charging cable. Here is the speaker, is a waterproof speaker, you can feel the rubbery touch. Here is the speaker, Fospower. Here is the buttons, holder is open it for the charging port and a micro SD card. You can put in the micro SD card, and here is the charging port. This goes through the USB. Here is the micro SD card. Start like here. The blue light shows it's on. The Bluetooth is on. I will connect it to the phone and show you the music and the volume buttons. Here are the volume buttons. Connecting to Bluetooth. Pretty easy.
प्रवाह